As human beings, our nafs sometimes gets the better of us. And we know from our Islamic literature that we are always to discipline our nafs and to show our nafs that we are in charge. How does this show up in the world? We may have a mentality of think big or go home. What does that mean? That means, for example, I may be very tired and I know that I could pray the Isha prayer and go home and skip Taraweeh if it's too long in the masjid. However, I don't allow myself to then accept these thoughts because it's either go big or go home. If I go to the masjid, I have to pray the Isha and Taraweeh and the Witr and I have to finish with the Imam. If you are someone who's very tired, do not give in to the whispers of Iblis and to stay home. Because then, what worship would you be offering at home in reality? Your prayer in the masjid, your Isha prayer, is worth a minimum 27 times of reward than you praying at home. And that is without adding the reward of walking to the masjid, of the reward of you sitting and waiting for the salat, of the reward of you contemplating or reflecting over the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are not all memorizers of the Quran in a substantial amount, and that is okay. However, it is not okay for us to accept mediocrity for ourselves during this month. So take this time, be very mindful, reflect upon your efforts, and do not think that anything will go to waste. If you can only make the Isha prayer, then do so. Make the Isha prayer in the masjid, and you don't know, you may be energized from that and continue praying the entire night. Do not fall for those whispers of Iblis. Do not fall for the nafs. Do not fall for this. You are stronger than that, and you have control over your own selves. As we know, Allah Azza wa Jal has provided human beings with free will. We have a choice to make. And this is a choice that none of us should miss out on. Come to the masjid, pray in Isha, and I hope to see you there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.